How do private detectives keep their clients informed throughout the investigation process? A. Maintaining confidentiality and protecting information. B. Regular communication, providing updates, reports, and findings. C. Engaging in ongoing education and professional development. You're accused of kicking your neighbor's dog. Your chance to talk. A. Portray the neighbor as somebody with a vendetta against you. B. Just keep saying I didn't do it. C. Mention that the dog made a mess on your lawn, and it wasn't a kick you gave him, but more of a shove. What tool helps investigators monitor and document leads? A. Task comment sheet. B. Lead assignment log sheet. C. Surveillance. D. Informant. How do private detectives keep their clients informed throughout the investigation process? A. Maintaining confidentiality and protecting information. B. Operating within legal and ethical boundaries. C. Regular communication, providing updates, reports, and findings. D. Engaging in ongoing education and professional development. On the wall is a bloody handprint. Fingerprints from the wall are collected. You've just gathered A. Patent prints. B. Latent prints. C. Elimination prints. D. Plastic prints. You're accused of kicking your neighbor's dog. Your chance to talk. A. Just keep saying I didn't do it. B. Mention that the dog made a mess on your lawn, and it wasn't a kick you gave him, but more of a shove. C. Protest that you couldn't have done that because you have dogs yourself and you love dogs. Which of the following statements is correct with regards to private investigators? A. A private investigator must follow all laws federal, provincial, and municipal. B. A private investigator has special authority to break laws for the purpose of investigating criminal activity. C. Since a private investigator is considered a peace officer, he can do anything the police do. In a mobile surveillance, if the investigator is not careful, what most likely could draw suspicion from your target? A. Staying a safe distance behind the target vehicle. B. Erratic driving. C. Driving the speed limit. D. None of the above. Sam is not a licensed private investigator, however, advertises private investigation services in an online phone directory. What type of action can BSIS undertake? A. Issue a citation with an administrative penalty of up to $5,000 and an order to cease and desist. B. Issue a citation with an administrative penalty of up to $7,500. C. Notify the local district attorney's office for prosecution. The group of subjects who experience the same day-to-day occurrences and influences as the experimental group but who do not receive the study treatment is known as the A. Selection group. B. Randomizer component group. C. Experimental exponents. D. Control group. An example of a background question is: A. Do patients who receive paraffin treatment report a decrease in pain? B. What is paraffin treatment? C. Is paraffin treatment more effective in reducing pain than massage and treating older women? D. Pain reduction can be achieved through paraffin application. All the following are true regarding in-depth interviews except A. Strict structured agenda. B. Respondents allowed to lead the interview and to give their full responses. C. Ongoing questioning is based on the responses just obtained from the interviewee. All the following are true regarding semi-structured interviews except A. Overall loose structure. B. Questions function as an agenda for the interview. C. Very closed in questioning that only allows for limited answers. D. Questions branch out to a more open type of questioning. All of the following are true regarding observational methods. A. Researchers assess human behavior and interactions firsthand, as well as the impact of these behaviors have on the subject matter. B. Presence of an observer can alter people's behavior. C. Observer alters the human behavior natural environment. All of the following are aspects of theoretical samples except A. Convenience. B. Quota. C. Sample size. D. Typical case. Sample size is determined by saturation. A. True. B. False. Which of the following is part of the criteria for judging trustworthiness? A. Credibility, internal validity. B. Transferability, external validity. C. Dependability, reliability. D. Conformability, objectivity. E. All the above. Which of the following is false regarding transferability? A. Transferability equals sample selection. B. Use of a panel of judges to select informants representative of the phenomenon under study. C. Comparing characteristics of informants in the study to information available in the literature. D. None of the above are false. Which of the following is correct regarding dependability? A. Methods of data gathering, analysis, and interpretation must be described. B. Aspects are auditability, stepwise replication, and code-recode procedure. C. Dependability, triangulation. D. All of the above. The degree to which an instrument measures what it is intended to measure is a definition of A. Diligence. B. Accuracy. C. Validity. D. Reliability. Intra-rater reliability is A. The degree to which a rater is consistent with their own ratings. B. The degree to which each rater or observer is consistent with another rater's or observer's rating. C. A component in the population of the PICO. D. Confidence level. The component which allows the researcher to say that the results are due to manipulation of variables and not due to chance interferences of other variables best describes the feature of A. Substance. B. Stamina. C. Control. High-quality systematic reviews are considered to be at what level of evidence? A. Level 1. B. Level 2. C. Level 3. D. Level 4. Expert opinion is considered to be at what level of evidence? A. Level 2. B. Level 3. C. Level 4. D. Level V. In considering the previous example, ROM could be considered A. A bias. B. The control design component. C. The independent variable. D. The dependent variable. OT practitioners can utilize evidence-based outcomes measures to A. Establish a baseline. B. Contribute to the client's care plan. C. Monitor progress. D. All of the above. The group of subjects who experience the same day-to-day occurrences and influences as the experimental group but who do not receive the study treatment is known as the A. Selection group. B. Randomizer component group. C. Experimental exponents. D. Control group. An example of a background question is A. Do patients who receive paraffin treatment report a decrease in pain? B. What is paraffin treatment? C. Is paraffin treatment more effective in reducing pain than massage in treating older women? D. Pain reduction can be achieved through paraffin application. Experimental designs are used for A. Development of search terms. B. Exploring people's lived experiences through a series of open-ended questions. C. Increasing the participant pool. D. Determining cause and effect. The dynamometer was not calibrated. This lack of calibration is an example of a threat to A. Content validity. B. External validity. C. Internal validity. D. Control. All statistically significant results are clinically important. A. True. B. False. A contains an independent variable that is manipulated in order to look for an effect on a dependent variable, but either use of a control group or randomization is lacking. A. A systematic review. B. Qualitative design. C. Quasi-experimental design. D. True experimental design. Subjects who are performing better on the study task simply because they are getting special attention, and not necessarily because of the treatment they are receiving, is called the A. Double-blind effect. B. Contamination effect. C. Hawthorne effect. Subject performs better on later tests simply because they have learned the material on the test rather than because of the experimental intervention is A. A threat to validity, replication. B. A threat to reliability, subject learning. C. A threat to reliability, subject ability. D. A threat to validity, subject ability. Quasi-experimental studies are included at which level of evidence? A. Level 2. B. Level 3. C. Level 4. D. Level V. Wrong results that are due to chance is an example of A. Systematic bias. B. Tester skill bias. C. Random error. D. Chance design. Errors that occur due to bias within the study design are called A. Human errors. B. Systematic errors. C. Expedited errors. D. Biasmatic errors. Helps ensure subjects are representative of the group from which they are chosen. A. Placebo. B. Randomization. C. Stratification. D. Manipulation. Specification of the characteristics that define the targeted study population that are relevant to the research question are referred to as A. Characteristics list. B. Research designation specifications. C. Specification bias. D. Inclusion criteria. Evidence-based practice is comprised of all of these components except A. Client values, goals, beliefs. B. Salary caps. C. Practitioner expertise. D. Best evidence. Three features of rigorous quantitative research include all of the following except A. Manipulation. B. Control. C. Focus group discussion. D. Randomization. Measures that occupational therapists use can include A. Client response. B. Standard measures, tests, inventories. C. Observations. D. All of the above. Likert scales typically provide you with A. Subjective information. B. Objective information. C. Useful outcome measures. D. None of the above. E. Answers 1 and 3 only. Paraverbal communication and body language play a very minor role in communication. A. True. B. False. Sometimes making a false statement in court is okay providing you have the best interests of the victim in A. True. B. False. What is the value of hypnotism in criminal investigation? A. Hypnotist can very well not guide investigator on case. B. Desired information can be abundantly gathered. C. Admissible in court proceeding. D. Subject totally under control by hypnotist which will not suffice probe. Can a strong acid burn completely and never to recur fingerprints? A. Always. B. None of these. C. It depends. D. No. In photographing a crime scene, what view will best feature the nature of the crime scene? A. Medium. B. Close-up. C. General. D. Extreme close-up. When a crime remains unsolved, we can most accurately conclude: A. The crime will be solved by hard work and perseverance. B. There was some deficiency in the investigation. C. The investigation may or may not have been a success. D. All available information has been uncovered. The importance of individual marks left on a bullet by a gun barrel is that it is useful in directly identifying the A. Gun from which a bullet was fired. B. Direction from which a shot is fired. C. Bullet which caused a fatal wound. D. Person who fired the particular gun.